Take a ride in the 2025 Bronco. Ford Bronco. Interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, privacy glass, convertible soft top, fog lamps, tires, front all-terrain. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.